Alexa, can you play We Thank Thee by Jim Reed, Spotify?
We Thank Thee by Jim Reeves from Spotify.
Alexa, volume, increase volume. Alexa, increase volume. Good morning, number one wife. Real Dirty Dog, good morning. Dancehall Store, good morning. Yeah, the pity them give me back my page. Don't mind blood clot them. Grand Rising. Well, I'm Chris Official Girl. And the deep blue sea, oh. Winston, what happened? Alexa, now get that trouble again? Not no. It's so amazing to wake. When you open your eyes, you see so you're awake and you're alive. It's nice, you know. I've been through so much. I see so much video on the internet. I say I go ball and the elephant take my water. Elephant bring back my water, come give. How cute it is. How does that tell me good morning? We thank thee. Cute, you know you miss a friend. She knows she lose a great friend. All you see her there. Big up on her damn self. I just want to give a word of thanks. All who stand by me. Come. I got to talk to you. You know, come. God talk to you. Girl, me look on you different. I swear to Almighty God. This is one I'm friend take time out. All who want bash like me. Me not bash like myself. Me walk, me sleep, me live with many birds where me never talk. Cute and my problem, you know. All of the root things that she said me pitney them, it not hurt me, me not care. It's so she reveal the man. That's sweet, man. Yeah, she said me need help. Alexa, stop. Man, I just come off of TikTok, but them dash me out of TikTok. I don't know every minute them dash me out. And with all of what she say offensive and her foolish, she say I'm cute to know. All of that what she attack her vex. No one girl I go video me come in on my DM, I go tell me say them know say I cute to do this. I me say yes, me know. And you gonna get up and bash me for that. Me never tag along with you. Me not the proving point, you know. There's a difference with me. Me that a proving point, woman. That's why I couldn't have certain things to throw back on the internet. I don't think like that. Me's a spread a moment person. So me no maliciously whine and an argument with you. So me not have no evidence. Me not have no time for that, cutie. So you know my problem. All of the nasty words and the mean unkind words that you do. All me can do is say about nasty things and because unkind. I mean, why you draw me out for certain levels for certain things because I'm not like that. But my point is, you deserve a clap. Deep in your heart, you know my trueness and my realness. So it's when you just come and you paint the next picture, you know the in-depth of me, cutie. You see the evil, dark devil. Give me him name. You yourself, regardless, you put it out for laugh after me and for make me be a mockery. Deep within yourself, you don't feel justified. How would you feel for me to take side with your baby father and can get up evidence? No. So when I do cutie, I know say I act for insult, impulse. So never use the girl with DM me. If me see girl now, me no know her. The girl DM me and say she and Cutie was friend. And a Cutie send out my pussy with them. I say, darling, me know. Me say to Cutie and Cutie laugh. So when you say me shouldn't answer, me a hypocrite. Me not a hypocrite. Me real. And within yourself, you know me real. And my friend just said to me, say everybody difference. Me have an next one if lick off my third see me have some stay. Me not easily attack somebody who close to me, somebody with my love. Cause my husband, why? Should I still go back down that road? Eh, it don't make no sense. So me security the whole heap of thing. You should jump and say me and her the same thing. People always do that. Man, nobody in the world is not the same thing. Everybody them use my behavior, and when anything happen, them come to them conclusion already. You see me, I get up and walk along, nobody fear to get up evident. Me not do them things there, you know. Me's a peace Solomon, you know, as cantankerous as me, you know. Cutie call me baby father, she call me daughter, call me cousin, she call me niece. She loves me. She cutting don't call me. Yeah, one next one, I'm telling her something. I can't find back nobody really like me. Cutting. For you left out of my yard at Jamaica, me not hear back from you. Now come over here, come call me name. I don't take people for blood clot, idiot. Because I take you as a friend and give you a little reason. And because you don't like the reason for you left my yard, me not hear from you. No come on the internet, come call to me. Me too loyal to people. And me too real. And the same thing when I call her as a friend. I said, Cutie, stop throwing the whole heap of money them on the internet. Because one man a pressure me right now. I said, for internet, through my body and my dad's, I could have back that to tell her. If me was some idiot girl, wouldn't talk. Back to you, Cadin Peak. You come over here and call Johnny Dispute. Not Johnny Dispute, me. I came to Jamaica for 10 days. And Mr. Cadin, come check me because I'm speedy and blah, 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 blah. When you come as a friend, me show you a little reason. Say, my friend, Ray, blah, blah. And because you know rate my reason, you know call me. Don't blood clot come here, girl. Come take me for a blood clot to walk over. Me a dads. Me a real woman. I'm a look out for people around me. If somebody offend me, I'm telling you on for respect that. As somebody, if you do something me not like and me tell you I'm in a company, the internet come tell you for respect that. If somebody said I'm gonna rob Cutie and call me and tell me and me call her and tell her she for respect that. You did call me, Kadim. You never call me. I'm just look and say, Queenie, you're the realest thing, you know. Ask my mom. I mean, my mother to come look for you. I mean, my mother that part. Now tell me that she tell me yes, little girl. I'm not going like, I couldn't take me for blood clot idiot. Like, my picture them, I have me a blood clot lock down my page like me. I pick them, I go suck on the mother again on a Sunday. One want me to stifle a blood clot defend. For say, oh, me I protect kids, me can't protect no blood clot body. My emotion come first. And when me in here suffer the consequence. I know me look at it and somebody said to me, say, Queenie, you know, say jealous Queenie, love me not carry in a jealous, Cutie jealous of you two, you're not a friend again. She may say friendship. I said no. And the person taught me into it. All right, Gail. All right, Gail. I may look into it and I say, you know, I've been through so much. I'll be still a smile. Them coming in numbers. When me in my bed, I sleep on me there, so them a call people and I set up things against me. Me not call nobody. See my family, Mariah crazy them. This is my internet family, my cousin. I'm telling them they can't control me. You have a woman when you're a happy wife. Me see her say if it's support. What she said? Happy wife. You say you send message to me. Girl, man, I press button. How much time I gotta tell her I say I'm my own dads? Me have to get my face stomp out and feel the pain for myself. Me not take people opinion as the queen I am. So happy wife, no matter what you want to write, say, and talk and send message. I am my own person. I am a great influence. I am a great woman. And in no point of time I will make decision and no Raya Crazy gonna come lava juice, blood clot with 69 straw. I'm a for be queen as a leader. And people get up every day customer seminar listen. Listen to who? About my marriage? It's rude. You lot don't know what is marriage. Yeah, I tell people protect what name asset. When one girl have a blood clot man and show her be life with him, you think she remember Queenie? And she can say because Queenie did build life and fair life build down. Everybody have to take them chance and cross them path and them own experience. So happy wife, you got a happy marriage. And you secure your asset. Me not care about blood clot assets. Everybody else are my one. Me love take plane like taxi. When you buy the house and cobweb in a blood clot, it you not have nowhere for blood clot. It did nobody, me not have no time for fit up in a house. That is a lesson learned by me. The man them where I say if you come down cause no tired of my story, no can't tell of my story. Me is a teacher. Me is a spiritual internet teacher. Me rehabilitate people for strength. Me rehabilitate people for have confidence. Me rehabilitate people for believing in themselves and love themselves and know so no matter what storm them can still jump out and go so. Everybody serve their own purpose, my dear. Topics what happen. Happy wife. Just be happy with your life. You can't tell a big grown ass 54-year-old woman what decides to make. I told you them see they say you send message. You can't send a message to me, baby. You understand me? Darling, me I'm my own person. Darling, me build myself. And me send out my pussy. And me say double tap. I know nobody send come tell me to do that. So it's when I reach in a life, I wasn't a yes girl. I'm in a tech chat. Make me live till 54. You see, for my words to carry me down, I'll live with that. I'll accept that. You see, for somebody me for follow and for go down, me just have to bury my blood clot self, and I'm not going to bury myself. Sleepless nights for true. One night, my screenshot, I go to bed like 12 o'clock. I wake up 1:06. Then I wake up 2:06. Then I wake up 3:08. Then I wake up 4:30. Every time I wake up, my screenshot, it's sleepless night. Devil, deep, dark, Lucifer, the enemy. And before I'm sick, the man said that message, said, anytime me sick. I know the first improve but remember me running phone, But I don't understand with people. Me come out and telling us what the man I do. Remember me telling them my teeth the phone. Me record him one day, me I carry attack to him, Bridget, and then tell him, Bridget, say, I got broke my spine. That's my can't breathe. Where's his watching? But where crazy is a peace and love and unity. Me did the live with her this morning. Vice your opinion, baby. What's your problem with me? You know what's cutest problem with me? Cutie knows she lose a good friend. Me's like a mother to Cutie. I nurture her. So I might not buy her out with material things. I understand her. Nobody have no patience to that. Me understand her, me tolerate her. But what she do? She was everybody has a weapon against me. I miss the girl miss me and can't get me. Yeah, my asked her if my pussy stink for 2 hours. She said yes. But so well that mean the 2 hour pussy stink. How the fuck if I be a top girl and me head the ups and down? I me head the all over. A jacket him get. A jacket. For the rest of my life, I'm going one day for that pity the jacket. I already my throat for me a jacket. The same bastard baby with my class. A bastard jacket that blood clot. When the girl, him forget the girl icky. The girl says she can't give no icky. Him can't get no icky with the belly. And the mother tell me, said the girl say, Achu, should I go one function? Why she never want that? The mother come tell me, the wife, you know. I may tell you the thing that when the wicked people them do me, you know. She call me and said to me, say, oh, I have get girl we breed girl, same breed girl, and girl no want put. Him no want put. The girl no want put. Him tell me, say, the girl no want to put icky on naked. And so I said, come icky me. Here the mother call and say, no. Crazy, the reason why she never want him for putting her icky on him because she got one function and she said she don't want nobody to see icky on her neck. So I said, then you breed for a married man. I have your mother, the man mother in a your corner. And you got party and the people then can't see the belly but them can't see the icky. Make it make sense. Me eat them. Mother poison them. Mother obey them. Me. But me not have the heart to do it. Mother poison them and obey them. Mother light the candle in the dark and beg God to kill them. But me can't do it. Me would I do everything with them want me to do. But me don't stay so. You understand me? Me. You're the woman say me have a address for when she come to England. Me not when she go lie. Them not count me. Me not never in no dealing so me get her address. You see the address for them send me a fake address. Piece of address. So me work out the rest, which we work out wrong. Mother use some poison and poison your son. But me can't do it. I hope somebody poison. I hope somebody poison. Because I can't do it. It's to say like how your son want to kill me off. Come. God go get a piece of blessing as a girlfriend. I need to tell you what do this about you. But I'm not going to say it on the internet. And when I come off our live yesterday, I say, no, I'm not going to say it because I will tell you after here. I tell you what I'm saying about you. What I'm saying about you. Anyway, freedom. What am I say? Freedom. Do you never get it? Me not ask him. You see that the pin of the race him put up and cover face? For the rest of my life, him I gonna live and wonder if I feel him pitney. And him not have the potential for do their name. So I'm gonna live in a misery. Oh, you breed girl and girl I got part. Yeah, tell girl you can't girl I tell her she can't get no you can't your mama gonna say. I choose she got function. So she do shame him. You shame say you breed and get a married blood clot bastard baby. Me I go forever cast a baby bastard. All the baby mother poison to if me can me eat the whole of them. The baby mother me eat the whole of blood clot on them. If me could have poison you think your life I gonna be at ease and peace? Before you do me dirty boy, we could even connive with blood clot boy come out a pan like me a mother man. I your mother cause all of this. You come tell about why my cocky can it burn me. Your cocky was never a problem to me. Come me help share your cocky. That's how much me say you're a fool. You don't know when to draw a line. So me just go to the help sell my soul with the fish prove what you give. The baby born from the 6th of July. And I would never come and speak about it. Me did I wait till him put it up. So that's why them provoke me, because them know some know everything. So them provoke me and put up the will you marry me because they want me talk about the baby. Evil boy, I know where I do. Yeah, and the baby come suck me, the baby a jacket, the baby a bastard, but the pies of the little blood clot baby at the mama. What the fuck gonna feel like? What the fuck gonna feel like? But the pies of the baby, the mama do himself, but the pies of the wall of blood clot them if I can, but I can't. Yeah. Evil for blood clot, evil. Fire for fire. Listen. So when him diss me about the baby, I'm not telling her that the part there, you know. I'm say for one thing me know, may I watch him till him put up the baby. Cause I can class him on the jacket. Beer jacket, all the picture with the America jacket. The pinning have nothing to do with the pinning have nothing to do with my jacket. Nothing to do with a jacket. I don't give a fuck. That's why you touch my blood clot family them. I touch. Jacket. Him tell not nice that the girl to go kill herself on the picnic. Him you see that. And when me say do it, you call the girl and ask the girl if she have baby. Him say, oh, the girl ate you. Me not call the girl and find out about no picnic. But remember me thief him phone and she say him black the girl. And me say do it. You claim say you breed the people them girl picnic. And you black the woman girl picnic with the belly. Him say, him nah mind no girl with no picnic and no picnic with no girl with they are foreign. That was the time when him said that for that baby mother. Him say crazy. Yeah, they are tell me say me for call the girl and see if the girl ate your arm her baby. Me not call no girl. Make she stay with her baby. She say anything she will say to my mother. Me not call her. The girl ate you. And you they are beg for the girl. The girl say you call her baby bastard. And she don't want nothing to do with you. Me say after no me fuck her. Me supposed to call her baby bastard. Cause if I take a people married man and just breed for them, so if me did stink or you get baby, or your baby mother not stink up. Make it make sense. And I am the one because me see them black the baby mother. Me see all her belly in the picture. Everything. That's why I'm telling them me no malicious. Me could have take them number. I'm here doing class me and say me no fake. Ask about the baby. If when the baby where you see him put up cover the little jacket face, man, the girl for call him mother and she and the mother talk it out. Crazy, the girl ate you. The girl say you call her baby bastard. Me say then do it. If she take up my husband from nowhere and just get up breed for married man, she don't know you from nowhere. First you go to Canada. But what for them do know? Him want come show off with it, you know, but him don't know how to do it. Cause remember him not have enough confidence to see them. I forget people for help him. So when him put up the cake, all right, William marry me, I mean my provoke, but true me not telling her. Because true him knows them that Canada with the baby. See me say go. True him knows them that Canada with the baby. I know some me know. Same want me come on the internet, come talk, same get a baby, but me smart. Remember, me no want to do it, you know. Me no want to do it. Do it just smart to me, understand. Me no want to do it. Do it no helpful to do nothing. Me just love do it for do it. But with all of this, me be no want to do it. So when me hear him kill up himself, and me see him put up the something William married to me, me I say, William married to me. And I hear me tell her same time, me say the baby mother, baby father dead left one while he put gun in the garage. And when the girl came, got the garage and him lift up the garage, me said, then that you breed girl for a dead left gun. Do we not know if it talks? The girl buy him one trainers and him can't go to Jamaica go give one next girl. Do we not know? No mind do it. The same girl where you see, the baby mother. So remember my wife, you know, me have everything. But guess what? Me not have no time to go take picture evidence. Me not have no time for them something. You understand, God? So when him say come out now and talk the truth and him don't know for them, I say, what you me going to forget to come back? You can't get no come back. You work with 2 jackets as a young man. You said the man when you're Sharon, where Trisha fuck, where your son be a godfather. And when you ask Trisha, Trisha said, no, I'm going to suck the man suck your pussy. You said the man mind your son. Remember you tell me, what S name? If I'm not sharing him name, I Sheldon, some S name. Now you come back with a girl and you're going to say, me fuck by you? Me no fuck by you, brother. Me send a video that get a man. Because you in the house now pay me, you know, man. Anyway. So me I wait from June. Remember May when me carry go to airport, a friend me friend you up neat and nice, just to secure my heart. So when you tell me say me no say they done, me no know say not done. Me just a waiting on my own terms and time to get my peace in myself. When they pan man. I don't know say me I'm my own dad, so I'm a build myself. Not even the ear pan my head for little cream. Me not depend on a man for. So if a man in my life, me not understand one of the pan tup. Doing is evilous. And me not look no pity. The baby mother in Canada, and the girl gone. What she having at the garage? She must know she tell if something goes on. I wait him tell me, can't remember I'm lying to you know. But me know them things that turn him on. When him done get the play out of the gun at Canada, and the girl a breed, and not nice for you see there Canada where America there. I fought the girl's sister. And when not nice call him and tell him something about him, said the girl forgot kill herself and the baby. The dusty wicked man where you say I put up baby now. Ask not nice. Not nice say it. And when me I'm doing phone and looking at doing phone, the things I'm gonna do is say to the girl. Him don't know say him know. But I don't know how when me see you know. But I tell him say me teeth him phone and him know. And him black the girl with the belly as a woman when I still like him mother. I said, do it. Why you black the girl? I say you breed the girl, do it. Him say, crazy. Me not busy with her, cause me figure icky and she said she know I'm gonna put no icky pan her. Me said that's all like our next man breed her. And she know and the man say the icky. And the mother come back, come tell me, say, the reason why the girl say why she never put no icky pan doing, make do we put the icky pan her, is because she go one party. But you have a belly, I got a party. But with my kind of self, who is doing? Yeah, damn right. With my kind of self, I just me that cause me still concerned about him youth. You understand me? I said, do it, unblock the girl and ask her what go out with the baby. Oh, crazy, me not call no girl. Oh, me not call no girl. The girl hate you. I said, the girl hate me. So she come in my life, come breed for you if you hate me. The girl hate you crazy. I mean, I mind a girl. We live a foreign with no pitney. What kind of statement that you tell a wife? Say I'm not our madman. The fuck when pre-sale like him I done me, I say him done the girl too. But through them not famous, nobody don't know them. Cause the girl afraid in a shot either. So because she him a clown. So because she hide right now the whole of Canada blood clot DNA in that the one baby there. I told fuck she get her family. Hear him now? So I say, oh you know if I hear baby, hear him now? Hear the woman that she did up here do rent. And the girl did it every day. And that she used to do it, baby, you know. And the girl did it every day. And you're doing it the only time she disappear when she and her friend go and set up. She do decoration. So I say, so when she go do decoration, she no can't fuck and get a jacket do it. Remember, I'm get one jacket at Jamaica and I buy doing the DNA blood clot test, go test the pit down there. Now I idiot, you know. So because him sister may have sense and smart, because of that me break it down to him. Me not take no losing for this. Him have one great woman and him never know one great woman would take him up and love him. So I'm turn idiot. Do we have no headpiece? Do we have no headpiece, you know? Do we own a one son where you see him tape in him face? Me not think do we love nobody like that little boy. Do we him love that little baby? I have never said do we send one video go give Papi Dan. Send one video go. Who me not send a video? But I mama wicked. And him mama look fuck off for me. And see mama go get one man that look like me. And him talk all blood clots. Right now I'm supposed to say me I look him. Me no want do it. Me overcome do it. Me take my own time. Do it data jacket. Do it jacket data. Him tell me say him son Godfather. Him baby mother man. I'm son Godfather. I said do that mean I go the jacket. And the mother said no. Me not tell no lie. The mother said no. I no jacket. I say he me not say nothing to do it. But when the little boy they come at Jamaica in the room and I walk and the little boy have on the little stripy. So I said, but my clad do him walk like you. I have to talk about him till I get over him fully, baby. I eat that. But the 95% no low blood clot. Me make me go out hang on the 5%. Eat that blood clot, girl. What you think I got to go in a depression for no? I'm a truth this. This is my therapy. Him can't know a clown. So when him I use that to beat me in himself, him corrupted against the girl. But him have to use something to beat me. You understand me? No, I don't fucking me I tell you no. Him have to draw for that. Because him sister, the girl come and talk. Him own a friend. So she him do it upon the phone with her. Listen how doing have no respect. Him upon the phone with her. And him a look about the little baby, the boy with the American now. And him mother in the background of cuss. Are you make somebody from the phone hear what your mother said? That she asks her who that and him say my mother. I say if men him have nothing and nobody call him call him and have them on the phone and listen. Me hate do it. You think I do it hate me? Me. Look for me. Me hate Mr. Scarlett and him no know. But because I'm tolerant. I see if you're my one, I will try. Me hate do it. So you see do it, I do all of them something there. Me hate do it. Me just see that take my own peace. That me can't sleep in my bed without doing sleep. And I like do it. But that pies do it. We scream record it. Mother pies do it mother. Mother pies do it baby mother. Mother pies do it 2 times. And mother pies anybody will feel like say them can't try this try. Mama not try. But I can't pies them. Because it's not in my heart. But it's in my thoughts. If I could get the chance and live with it. Mother pies them, kill them. Dead for blood clot, dead. You want like can't go for me drop down in a dark or whatever you say. Queenie, stop it. More pies you too. That me have to tell you. Say nothing but that pies off. Everybody to keep alive. Wait till me go to make them pies me. Me I reason with you. If them give you some pies and say give Queenie it for drink or you drink it, what would you blood clot do? You not spare me. Anything we cross blood clot, me I just say the poison to blood clot. It might not be physical poison, but that's how poisonous me are to know. Oh fucking dear you little bitch. So say an international old woman like this with a husband and get up, go open me a crutches for this worthless piece of shit. I don't understand your blood clots if you come talk about me call you baby bastard. Where do you want me call you baby? What is your baby? A fucking bastard. Can you breed for a man in a marriage? You never have the decency. A 2 times prize doing a prize. You know the same get prize 2 times. You never try reach out to me as a woman and say something positive. You want me to suffer for say, my breed for blood clot do and dash for that blood clot. Until him lose it. I probably sure that. Me never go bear no blood clot baby burn with dirt to do it. Do it worthless. Do it rude. Do it lie. Do it selfish. Do it stupid. I love do it if it do it. Big body man, big body man. I don't know nothing to do with nobody. I no money nor nothing. I just love him for who him is. And the married way married to me. Oh, me just fall for him. Me for breed for who? My son say him a idiot. Me done see what my husband point out figure. Me never had a bird a child would do it. Never. Me tell him. Him know. It's just too. Me not sing it in our ears. Me say do it. Me nah go gain a baby, you know. So if you're married to me, me nah go gain a baby. Me nah go back down that bird. Me dash straight blood clot and tell him say me lose it. Me no want a burden for do it. Oh, me I confess. You hear him say my real husband out there. He wasn't a real husband. But I accept him for who he is. He wasn't a man that nurture me and care about me. The little running and ramping and summer. Me just love him for him comfort and just being around. I accepted him. Yeah, my husband see me until we divorce. Until we divorce, me I say husband. When them say yes, this come true. Do we don't want anything good in life? Him don't used to love. Him same father used to beat him and touch him. And every time him father beat him, it make him get stubborn more. Him scared from long time and him hold that grudge. Do we need help? Me need help too, you know, but me help myself. And I like, so you see you baby mother, everything what you said to do it, tell me back. All if I like, I'm fuck I like. What may I do it, baby? It look like idiot, you know. You know, see me have 5 blood clot pitting for one man. When me dog break the cycle, do we never deserve for me break the fact? Him deserve to do all of when blood clot do me. But not for me have a pit no for be a part of him and a part of me. You mad? Me take pit the things different. So I'll hear my show off himself. From here to the baby born the 6th of July. Me say, oops, you no longer belong here. Go find out if the baby a jacket or that your mama need for the next. You did that cover up baby face, you fucking clown. It's a next man of mine, your pitney. That's all you sit down and do. Him say, crazy my father no pay me no mind and me, I'm one son. And no girl with no pitney can't get me pay them no mind. That's so the man think. You think I'm him hate himself, him hate. Him hate the world. When me a coax him, remember you know, do and his mother used to live bad, you know. I seen she see him type of silver suitcase and start live like. Remember before him get the silver suitcase, she said, don't help the dirty boy. And for the dirty boy I get help. What them do? Help me down. What baby girl? Nice. Not the pan life. You alright though? No, me not cuss. No, man, I'm a peaceful. Alright, love you, baby. Do we not have no life? Do we is a sad, conniving stunter? Do we the right so? And him put up on status say him the out there so for look attention. Look on the respect of my husband and look how auntie them is. You see a girl a post to and a big up do it sad. Every minute do we put up one different girl. When a girl earline, a girl back way. When a girl back way, just bare stupidness, him a look attention. You see the attention when me give him crave it. The girl of Canada can't post him. I should post him at two my talk. Cause the dead man gun make him want she. You hear why I love the girl for? The gun them where man, where be a father dead left. She can't bring do it. Me naturally see do it and just like how do it, look and just clip and put him up. Put some video. Him desperate for them there. So what him do? Him start be the cheerleader now. Him start wear the pom-pom and the skirt and the socks. You know the cheerleader girl him? Remember me did that cheerlead for him, you know. When him start to know, him not the same turn a girl. Him start cheerlead and I put up girl. When me I do to him, and that him I do about me, you know, for mad me. Oh my God, do it. When son of that him start though, cheerleader with a pom pom now. So every week I see him put up that gal I suck him too. The next one I'm most wanted. Then the next one, the song them when music send I see the cake, will you marry me? I say watch my clown blood clot husband. I'm gonna show him how bad and awful the dirty wife for him not like is. I mean you know aunt. At the house, at the house, at the house. Me not remember about the dirty house now. The way how cutie come and save the day to blood clot. I wanna take cutie. Wanna take cutie. Why I'm Ricky too? Wanna take cutie. I would never embarrass my kids for no better. Move your blood clot. Them have to live under embarrassment. Embarrassment is what it is. Them have to live under embarrassment because their mama is a part of blood clot embarrassment. Anybody can live with that. Come lobber juice blood clot me. Yeah. And with all due respect, where cutie I look pan for laugh after deep within her, she said the boy is a bumper wall. Sweet me. Yes, she have a part she want to get back. I don't care about what cute you want to do, you know. You see the fight, you see the record she recorded. Glory be to God. Remember the boy said, beat me, you know. But yeah, what kind of boss? You can't beat me, do it. I want to stir this strong woman. May I have rockland stackle. All when shall look blood clot, the clot. Every knee shall bow and every tongue shall confess. Because Jesus is love. MT Ras video on my phone. And Ras voice note them and send them to Cutie. Am I mad? All Ras cocky him having a blood clad phone. Am I mad? As much as me going on your phone, me never blood clad put nothing out of your phone in my phone. You hear that? If take, remember you know Raya crazy. You hear my pints me have man, me not have no man. You see, if I'm married, me feel before me married at some stay, me not go married and no man fuck me. The man I mean at the house and the man right, sir. Me not friend for no girl with them pussy fat and sexy. And me say, do it. That is insulting to me as a wife. Crazy me not put no name. Me say, do it. I am your wife. And from anyone see that my pussy fat and me sexy. And him still wouldn't take it down. Right beside him, I take on the orange blood clot blouse and put on my jean shorts. Cause the man message me. And me send him a message live. Him hate me long time, I'm first telling on the late. When my daughter said to me, say 2 years ago, say, no, mommy, your husband hate you. It burn me when she tell me, say, no, I don't want to believe it, you know. And I say to me, say, do it. My daughter tell me, say, you hate me, but I don't believe. And some, the artist also alive. Hey, artist also alive. How are you? Yeah, I say it back to me, say, my daughter tell me, say, you hate me, but I don't believe. So when I do, I give him a long rub for himself. I'm non-progressive, I'm a believer in him. The believer, I'm a believer in him, because I have a good little spirit, and I send men in there together. We move a whole heap of mountain, and I did like that. I swung what happened. But like the little highlight when me and him get ups and downs, so I try to push him. But I was aware of doing. But through my lion, I never show that part there, but him know that part there, so I was aware of him. Let's see if we do the 8th of September 2020. I may come back to England the 18th, that's a 10 days time. And by me I come back to England the 10 days time, I don't want to do it. I see him if it big fame. So it was just meant to be. Impune, me and him go downtown for buy about the things them come back to England. It's the same now, not flex in the north for fitting. If him go to wholesale and buy one something, if you buy three, you get them for a different price. And I mean, at the car, use up your initiative, not in the fitting, in matter grow him like one liquor. I don't even know what to say. And him saying I'm also and play a game. Then him and him friend them play a game and them fuck wish girl and them disrespect the girl and them chat over chat. So I'm not going and no respect and no love. So me come through this whole heap of love for him and looking for love. Me did that. Me never that get that, but me try. You understand? Yeah. But me see this man wasn't the man for build a family with. Him pre me pitney them. Him say me pitney them eat him. Me pitney them not business with me. Pitney them just eat the fuck out of the disgrace. I'm not business with you. And him sit down and him pre me with them. Him say me pitney them make him running from England. Him say him can't bear the fuck for walk around and the pitney them after him top me in my mouth. Same life for many reasons. Wally Palad stupid story, and then the mama take it up on him head like him can't cope. And the visa flying on him head, if him did have only my visa, I would have keep him ass right here, so. Yeah, but I said it for God. Do it sad. Do it fall in a depression, cause my father only summon claims. Him father don't even talk to him. Around 2 years now, man, him put on attack. I don't know me. Me come go see them not attack. Say them not talk no, and not my fault. Understand me? Do it is sad. His mother sad. She walk and look young boy like wow. I told her do a friendship with her and tell me say she like him. And I must set her up on the man, and I did not. Cause I never see it appropriate. She too mixed up. She's a fucker box. The same do it say she come and boy come and when that same one suck him mother pussy. Him own a friend. A greater Portmore at the June Plum tree. And him vex with him friend cause him friend suck him mother pussy. Don't mind blood clot them. Ask Sarah, ask him. Me never did it. So when she come go like she a saint, one old Jezebel, one old vagabond. So she should have American work money. She feels she can't undermine me. You know, hear she say, when she go America, she never go help him because he married to me. But him still married to me. And me make when him I go Canada, and him and Batman cash you know them say fuck Shabada. Cash me never know say yeah. I do it tell me. Say Shabada live on the same street with you and you say you do threesome with man. Me say that mean a Shabada. Me never know say Shabada fuck your cash win. That mean you do a good little fuck already. I do left my car give you and eat me say me shouldn't cuss about the car. I could talk the whole heap of things them now. The same dirty cash win you used to do left my car with a Jamaica. Remember me telling you, you know, I be a fuck mama go on with I be a fucker them keep on me a fucker for fucker. I'm gonna go for the car tonight. Around 10 man me see. I escort do it. You want to see me like a little puppy dog, a good thing my bad and terrible. Them couldn't intimidate me. And everybody in the party, I whisper to the selector them. I whisper, whisper, whisper. 6-0. If you say a lie again, we are say tell lie. I block you. I mean, know you want to hear my story. Shut the fuck up and come suck me. Yeah. Do is troubled. So we catch you on the gun now. I want me to talk about. Me a bad blood clot, girl. I think no can intimidate me. As my mother says, she not get no threat. Me not take them things for blood clot, nothing, and gonna make me can't survive. Every time you're going to cash you in the other one, gun cash you in a swim. Hey, yeah, mama, you know, I said, doing. Me not put up with them things there, you know. So I call them mother the hypocrite mama. I said, Odette, you know why do I have a go at me, do I talk about everything him tell the mama say me want him for, me no want him for go fuck. Me argue with the woman, say make me look like a mad woman. I said, Odette, me go on a cash train every time I go on a cash train bring one gun, come put in a do it and a gunman thing do it upon Odette. Buy your son ticket to Canada and send him to Canada coming out by it. Ask her. That bitch, that witch. You know the witch do? From that day, me tell her, say me see me with gun and she fly out of Jamaica. She never call me back. When me look at Canada, I say, do you hide? And the people are whisper tell me, say, do it at Canada. Remember me, tell her, lift up your son, cause me not send him out. You send him come have the visa. And from that woman hear me say, son, she buy the ticket, she never call me back. Them hide, them go around me. Me I ink for look. Me I feel look on people page. Till the boy come and say, I got this try, man, I got done me, I not get no care. Me soon black you, don't mind you. You know, do you tell me what they when him for sign the paper and him not sign it? Do it say, crazy. We done cancel the house already, you know, but we still a try. Do it say crazy. You remember how you did behave when me take the car and me to go to Canada, me say do them what you did expect. You still come back and build up that? Eh? No. You still come back after you take the car and give a Batman friend. Now him tell me say, Cashrian go bisexual. That I know no low man when she go up go hype up and Kev go Jamaica clone him up and now she can't come back. My hype them live off. I don't mind them. Cashrian say him the threesome with man. Do you know Batman? No, me just call him Batman. Maybe him do something I don't know, but me not see me personal don't think so after it. Me just use it, beat him, but deep within, me not think so. Him say Cashry and say him the threesome with man. And, well, you know, me no say doing I have not about him. After the big disgrace with Cashry and do we put up Cashry and Vice pan TikTok with Cashry in the background upon. Don't ball to me. Ball to God. I say do it. But Cashrian want kill you and Cashrian come out your yard, come make man back, gonna fire and lick out the car window. Why would you have Cashrian by your TikTok in a advice? Him say, I feel him post. Him not say that has nothing. So back to the reason, him say Cashrian say him love the threesome with man. Himself and the next man. Him say crazy, me no know Cashrian do that. Bring all of the girl them come where you want come. Shabada and Cashrian live on the same road. Some say that mean a Shabada for Cashrian then. That mean Cashrian do the threesome with Shabada. So the whole on some kind of blood clot, Batman, Scotty man, and Lati blood clot, man, I know one blood clot feel like say. Secret lovers, that's what they are. The man said, if me remember, oh, me, so you still on one side, still all grudge. Me and you have a car as a husband. And you take it and you run and you left it, give a man at Jamaica, and you still come back and repeat it till you have me up. Strength him and look for a man. And if you can't trick do it now, any girl can call do it and tell him, say, right, my mom? And tell him, say, them have gun. And show him gun. And any brethren you call him and go like him bad, them ton friend. Idiot. Him not have no stability as a person. Him mother grew him like Miss Jane and like Miss Liza. So I'm quick for drop him drawers and lap him fractal and say, oh, the son will lap them fractal. It's nasty. I remember one time when me did that live on my birthday. I may I get some cash app money. First time I get cash app money, I may create one only per X. I say, I miss somebody right and say, how much that you get? Yeah, he's worthless, very worthless. Him an opportunist. Him worthless. If him an opportunist, he would have take my own and turn it and capitalize it and be himself a better man. If you do it argue now, do it tell the same mother will mind him. Do a mother work 24 hours. Look about sick people. She do one 12-hour job, and when she left there, so she go back and she do her next 8-hour job, back to back. Hello? You go work? All right, love you. Back to back. The last time I did up at Dale Yard, up at where them there Jamaica, me and him have one big argument in our people them yard. I hear where the big man get up and say, me all right. Me all right. My mother will mind me. My mother will take care of me. No. Me no want to be in that the family there. Me no want to work this man. Me no work this girl. So me forget to me think my brains alone over construct everything and on top of that, you know, one side that tear me down. Queenie send me your number. Where you go get it? Take my number 07, put plus +44. Yeah, take my number now. Me no business, nobody can start me. +44 74 28 15 666. Them corrupt, them sad. Do the America, I'll know him not see him mother, him father. At one time, him see him son. Do we a lace, careless boy. When do they pour more in my walk, him pants down and that. Remember, him have no bottom, you know. And then him have one shots and it bugger, yes, and him just look untidy and tacky, you can't talk to him. You see, many of go out and we plan for wear this. By the time him buck two bridge and our two friend and him chat him turn against me, you know. Who crazy me now? Wear that, you know. Him very slacky tidy. As a man, he's a nasty piece of shit. Me not do it. I'm glad me come out and do it. When me really look back into it, the man not have nothing about him. You know, sometimes a man in front of me all run some joke. I say, do that is not appropriate. Don't say that. Crazy, shut up your mouth. Shut up your mouth. The Wayne walk around with them pants and them bottom, and it's so disgusting. Him not have no bottom. And then trim maga, and them have on the shots, and then blogger the shots, blogger, yes, I'm with. And no matter how you tell the brother, say, brother, fix up your little self, no man. Say, Salem, little things that want my beer and accept him for who is him. Merry Christmas, all. He's a nasty, he's a deep, dark devil. Very conniving. Him have a small-minded thinking. So when him shut down everybody. Him not eat. And then him call you and him look attention. And him say, me not eat for 3 days and I may have vomit green. That's he's like a little girl, a little eggshell. Him look sympathy. So you see me out there say a ball of guano, him a think of some little method now if you say, trigger my brain. Momo was a part of it. Stinking no Momo. You stink like down a river tongue. You think me I don't know for your dirty girl? Anytime I remember you want to call my name. As a woman, the way you sit down, you're dating, the way you're desperate. I'm a what left Sikaram you take up. Sikaram my mind. More of your blood clot. What the song there? So I'm patient with him because Queenie, you have a lot of experience. And because I'm young, remember I'm 20 years older than him. Me give him more leadway for give him the chance to realize and come to reality. You understand me? But that was never the case. Me I get clothes so I'm to that. Me a queen. Me like Sharon and nothing me get a code. Me have to stay relevant too. So me can't just sit down over here and talk about myself. Me have to touch some of them all shibada with cash in a fuck. That's how it go. When you trouble me last year, me all just ready to start this year. Welcome back. Thank you. So everybody asks me why me never left for come. He's not a quitter. NBA the after sort of like me is not a quitter in it. So me never ever quit and left do it. Do we not have nobody, you know? All you to do it there. Do we don't have a girl we care about him? Do we have beer man, woman in him phone, some desperate girl we see me and him want to fuck off for him? Some of them angle him like dog. Do we speak to him? My feel so embarrassed. Me say, do we have my husband? What my RT man? He said, do we? I saw you're desperate that you make girl pity. Do we go suck Queenie pussy me there with my husband? You call down my phone. I saw the girl them deal with do you know? And then him not have no counteraction because him not quick thinking. So when them say the things about him, so it's like me sorry for doing more than I'm sorry for myself because them abuse Dewey. I said, Dewey, you make them girl them abuse me and they make you abuse it because the whole of the evidence. I said, Dewey, delete the something them. Why you have so much something on your phone for evidence? Hello? Yeah. Instagram. Me dep on live, man. Me know every blood clot thing. I want to I got me I work with. Nobody